In today's video, I am going to teach you how to rebuild your search index on Outlook. If your Outlook search is missing emails, returning partial results, or feels unusually slow, rebuilding the Windows search index that Outlook relies on can often fix it. Think of the index like a catalog. It keeps track of what's in your mail so results appear quickly. When it gets out of sync, searches suffer, so we'll refresh it. First, close Outlook completely. Make sure it's not just minimized. Exit the app so nothing in Outlook is actively changing while the index is being rebuilt. This helps ensure a clean start and prevents conflicts during the process. Next, open the Windows Control Panel. Inside Control Panel, use the search box in the top right and type indexing. From the results, select Indexing Options. This is the central place where Windows manages which locations are included in search and how the index is maintained. In the Indexing Options window, check that Microsoft Outlook appears in the list. Labeled Index these locations. If you see Microsoft Outlook listed, you are good to proceed. If it's not listed, click Modify. In the dialog that appears, select Microsoft Outlook, then click OK. This tells Windows to include your Outlook data in the search catalog, which is essential for accurate search results. Now we'll rebuild the index. In the Indexing Options window, click Advanced. In the Advanced Options dialog, stay on the Index Settings tab and look for the Troubleshooting section. Click Rebuild. You'll see a warning that rebuilding might take a long time. Click OK to confirm. This process deletes and recreates the index. But it does not delete your emails or calendar items. It only rebuilds the catalog used for searching. Once you've started the rebuild, give Windows time to work. The duration depends on how much mail you have and your computer's speed. It's normal for the process to take anywhere from several minutes to multiple hours for large mailboxes. When the rebuild completes, restart Outlook. After restarting, be patient as Outlook search improves. Results may gradually become more complete as the index repopulates. To help it along, keep your computer powered on, plugged in if it's a laptop, and avoid shutting down during the initial reindexing. You can still use Outlook while it indexes in the background, but searches may be limited until it finishes. That's it. Thanks for watching.